Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into everyday products and find out what's truly worth your money. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best seat belt extender buckle universal, the KoovDem 2PC's Universal Auto Belt Shoulder Extender Strap Pad. Let's get right into it. First impressions matter, and the KoovDem shoulder strap pads deliver with a minimalist, sleek black design that blends into any car interior. The material is soft yet durable, which immediately gives you the sense that it's not just about aesthetics, it's about comfort. These pads are designed to provide a better driving experience by eliminating the discomfort caused by tight or rough seat belts. Now, these aren't just any pads. Each measures 4.716 inches, making them compact enough not to interfere with seatbelt functionality, but still large enough to provide ample cushioning. They serve as an extender and a soft pad simultaneously, which is ideal for both everyday drivers and long-haul travelers. Installation is refreshingly simple. You don't need any tools or technical know-how. Just wrap it around the seatbelt, secure it with a strong Velcro closure, and you're good to go. It fits snugly and stays in place even with frequent movement in and out of the car. That means no constant adjusting or readjusting while driving, a small but important detail. Comfort is really where this product shines. If you've ever felt the seatbelt digging into your neck or shoulder, you'll appreciate the cushioning these pads provide. Whether you're wearing a t-shirt or a jacket, it softens the pressure and eliminates irritation, especially during longer drives. Another strong point is its universal design. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, truck, or even use it on a child's booster seat, these pads are compatible across the board. You can even use them on backpacks or luggage straps, making it a versatile addition to your daily life. Impressive for the price. The stitching is tight, the fabric feels durable, and after extended use, there's no fraying or loss of structure. They're also easy to clean. Just wipe them down with a damp cloth or remove them for a quick hand wash. Now, while they don't come with fancy branding or extra packaging, that simplicity is part of the appeal. KoovDem focuses on function over fluff, and in this case, it works to the product's advantage. One limitation worth mentioning: if you're looking for a very thick or memory foam style pad, this one might feel a bit thin. But for most users, it strikes the right balance between comfort and subtlety. All in all, the KoovDem 2PC's Universal Auto Belt Shoulder Extender Strap Pad is a fantastic, low-cost upgrade for your car. It's one of those small changes that makes a surprisingly big difference in everyday driving. From daily commutes to weekend road trips, this is one accessory that quietly improves your experience without demanding attention. That wraps up our review of the best seat belt extender buckle universal on the market today. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next critique. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.